Hello everyone and welcome. Casey here with Modern Witch Doctor. So this video has been long awaited. Everybody's been wanting me to do one on how it is to prepare and how to basically cook corn smut. Corn smut is also known as Mexican truffle and it is pronounced huitlacoche. Corn smut has been used in both North and South America for thousands of years. Actually, in ancient times, it was considered a poor man's food, and strangely enough, nowadays it has become a delicacy in Mexico. Now, here in North America, many people do not know about corn smut, nor do they care to eat it. Obviously, it does not look very appealing. However, it does have a very unique, delicious flavor. Tonight, I am going to show you how it is that we prepare corn smut, and hope you guys like the video. Alright, so I added all my ingredients into the skillet and we're basically just going to saute them for now. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is how we make Mexican truffle. Delicious.